This is Oscar. Say hi, Oscar. He's getting a bath. So I filled up the kitchen sink. Not filled it up, but lukewarm water. He's such a good puppy though when he gets a bath. He just is just so cool. Such a great dog. So I thought I'd get the picture, shoot you a picture of me giving him a bath. I like that, like get his mouth wet. See that tongue? That's because he has no teeth. He's such a good puppy. He's a Havanese, as if you didn't know. You have to be careful with his eyes, they're sensitive. Oscar's 14 years old. He's a rescue pup. We got him from the Havanese Rescue Organization as foster parents. My wife went through I'm not going to call it grueling, but a very intensive vetting process to become a foster mom. And we got Oscar, I don't know, I think she was in the program for about 6 months. Then we got Oscar. He was from a house in Oakland, and I guess the owners couldn't afford him anymore, unfortunately. Now the two shampoos I use two. Ultra mild puppy shampoo, wild cherries. So he's gonna smell like a cherry pie. And we love the smell of this stuff. So I like to do his back first. I'm a new dog owner. I still haven't finished my story on how we got Oscar. We've had him for about 3 months now. He is just the best dog in the world. You see, guys, let me give him a bath. We got him because I guess the other family couldn't afford him, like I said, unfortunately. So we got him, and after having him for a couple weeks, we're getting him ready to transport him to a new owner who wanted a Havanese, and we just fell so much in love with this dog. So, and we called the organization to tell them we don't want to give him up, and they said we had the first option on him, so we got him. You're such a good doggy. His hair is great. Havanese, they don't shed, even though he's really hairy. Gets along with our cat. He likes to bark at big dogs. He's got a big bark with no teeth. We had to have 4 of his teeth removed, which he only had 4 left. So now he's toothless. And just look how docile he is in here, and he lets us know if he doesn't like something, and I think he actually likes getting it out. Looks like it, huh? I gotta make sure I wash his tushy and all his extremities. We got him fixed, his teeth pulled and chipped, all within a week. Fortunately for us, it was all paid for by the Havanese organization. This is before we decided to keep him. Oh, he is shaking a little bit because it's a little chilly outside, but the water's warm. And let me get in his eyes. I love how his tongue hangs out. And he seems to do just fine with no teeth. We make sure, and he loves meat, of course. So we just make sure we give him really small bites. He loves sweet potato. He loves chicken, turkey. I get these meatball sandwiches every now and then. I give him a little piece of meatball. I make sure I get all the tomato off it. I'm not sure what that's going to do to him. He loves that. He loves bacon. Oh my God. So my wife is always in a situation where she's wants to find the healthiest food for him. He just does not like vegetables except for sweet potatoes. She even makes him oatmeal, which makes him regular. We take him on walks every day from 2 to 4 miles. And when he doesn't want to walk anymore, he just stops. It's just so funny. I said, nope. We have a backpack. We've taken him on hikes in Arizona. No, was it Arizona? No, Nevada. Red Rocks. Red Rocks near Las Vegas. Not the Red Rocks in Colorado. So now I'm going to put this, it's called Soothe. Thank you very much, Oscar. It's antiseptic shampoo, so I'm using 2 different shampoos. Quite expensive, but it's worth it, of course. And he does have allergies. We have to get him a shot every 6 weeks, because once he starts, scratching himself, we know he's got very sensitive skin. So that's why I'm using this. And just, he's been in here, what, 10 minutes? He's just such a great dog. Trying to be good for you, Oscar. Okay, I think I've tortured you long enough. He's shaking. Not because it's cold, I just think, I don't know if he's nervous or what, but he's such a great dog. He does zoomies for us. He loves to go on walks. He doesn't like toys, which is weird. Loves our cat, Bubba. Loves him too much, I think. Bubba tolerates him. And we all sleep together on the bed, the 4 of us. Bubba, Oscar, and my wife and I. Make sure I don't get any shampoo in his eyes, of course. See how good he is? And he'll let you know if he doesn't like something. He'll yelp. Like sometimes I'll take his harness off when we take him for a walk. If I take it off too aggressively, he'll let me know. I'm going to go ahead and shut the video off. Dry him a bit. I'll turn the video back on and we'll go through the getting him dry process.